What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So glad you decided to stop back by for yet another snatch and slay session with your girl. In today's video, we're just going to be continuing on with my color series. I know we haven't done one in a while. Today's color will be none other than Burgundy. We're going to make it do what it do. But before we jump into it, be sure to like, comment, and most of all, subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of the snatch and slay game. And make sure you click that little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all my future uploads, therefore making it easier for you to snatch and slay on the regular. Now, if you would like to know how I came up with this look, then just keep on watching. And that is it for today's tutorial, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I hope to see you soon in the next one. Peace.